Hey guys, welcome to Data Analysis Sample Problems Level Medium. All right, let's jump right into it. So here we go. Here's our medium question. Now here we start off with a chart. All right, so let's take a look first. Now we just want to analyze and make sure we understand all the data in this chart. So we've got these different companies. We've got companies A through E right here. We've got US locations. This looks like the number of US locations right here. And then we've got foreign locations right here. All right, so now let's read the question. The table above shows the number of flower shop locations for 5 flower companies. For which of the 5 companies is the ratio of the number of foreign locations to US locations the greatest? Now you might be tempted to pull out your calculator here, and that's fine, that'll get you the right answer, but you can do it in a much faster way if you just sort of look broadly at the numbers presented. All right, so let's take a look now. So we're talking about basically the greatest ratio. It doesn't mean the greatest difference. We're talking about essentially where the foreign locations is the greatest multiple of the US location. So for example, let's take a look here in the top one. Let's look at A. So here we have 28 US locations and we have 8,000. So approximately, all right? So let's just approximate it. So 2,800 times 3 is about 8,400. So we know that this is less than a 1-to-3 ratio, okay? Or 3-to-1 ratio if we're going that way. So we'll just say, let's say less than 3-to-1. Okay, now let's look at this one, 1,600 to 6,600. So this is interesting. So how does 1,600 to 6,600 relate? Well, we know that 4 times 1,600 is about 6,400. So this is a little bit greater than a 4-to-1 ratio. Okay, let's keep going. Now that's the biggest one to beat right now. Let's look at 2,000 to 7,200. All right, so we got 2,024 and 7,236. Well, we know right off the bat that 4 times 2,000 is going to be it's going to be more than 8,000. Okay, so that means this is going to be a 1-to-3, some sort of a ratio like that, 1-to-3 something. So that means this is less than a 4-to-1 ratio. So this is out. And this is out, because these are both smaller than B. Let's look at D. D looks almost like 1/2 or less than that, right? 2,484 divided by 4,536, that's less than 1/2, so it's less than 2-to-1 ratio. So that's out. And now lastly, E. So we got 1,500 and 4,200. Again, just approximate. If you have 1,500, that's 3 times that is already greater than 4,200. So this is a less than a 3-to-1 ratio. So this one's out. That means our winner with the greatest ratio has got to be B. And so here we go, B. Final answer.